अरे बस यही मुस्कान चाहिए थी, यही मुस्कान चाहिए थी। देख रो कितने प्यारे लग रहे हो आप। माय गुडनेस। सूरज, अरे अरे ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, ऑलराइट। अरे मैन हग मी बाबा, वेरी नाइस फैंटास्टिक। व्हाट हैपेंड टू यू, क्या हुआ? खोलो थोड़ा देखें। थिंक चलो ठीक मत खोलो, अरे 6 टाका लग गया। अच्छा लोहे वाला। How kilometer is this?
Not kilometer, only 400 meter.
It is much.
Meter only, sir.
Meter.
We went that park, na?
Near to that
हाँ.
Near
Opposite that park. Okay, that's fine. Understood. Hey, we should take something, right? We should take something. Huh? Let's go to that showroom. You know showroom?
Yes, sir. Spencer.
That is a good showroom. It's not showroom. We can say it's kind of hypermarket. Is it hypermarket?
No, sir. Small hypermarket.
It's a mini hypermarket. Suggest me to buy something when I came out.
Yes, sir.
I just for Suraj because his health is not well.
Yes, sir, we can take sir dry food, dry.
I have taken already. I have taken, yes,
I have
and I have taken juice as well. Yeah, I have taken that. I have taken. Find any good thing here?
Nothing, sir.
Why? But I think we should take banana.
Banana.
No, we should take banana, right?
From that side, sir. There is no any good banana in this shop.
Yeah, exactly. That's not okay. We should take from there.
From outside.
Let's go. I'm gonna take this as well. कितने में?
55 sir.
55 का। बढ़िया है। तो कहाँ से उठाते हैं आप?
गला मंदिर.
गल्ला मंदिर। अरे बढ़िया।
मेन गला मंदिर.
और आप ठीक हैं? गुजर बसर चल जाता है?
हाँ, क्या है जो द्वारा.
कितना बिक जाता होगा डेली?
अब कहने मतलब अब मजदूरी जरूरी कर नहीं सकते हैं. शरीर कमजोर है तो बैठे जो कुछ से 3 से बन गया.
बेटे उठे हैं आपके?
हाँ, पढ़ा नहीं है कुछ.
पढ़ते हैं। हमें कितने देंगे आप?
ले लो भैया हो क्या?
कितने देंगे आप?
चलो बस 70 रुपये की दुकान है. पैसे लगा देंगे और क्या.
आइए हम 80 रुपये देंगे आपको। जिसमें पानी ज़्यादा हो। ओ
So actually, you know, one of our students, his name is Suraj. He has met an accident. So we are going to meet him. We are going to see him. We are going to ask his health. We are going to sympathize him. We are going to console him. We are going to make him feel that yes, never give up. So it's very important to go to him and appreciate him whatever he does and he's doing.
Sir, give me.
Oh, please.
You guys, wait. So actually, one person has to go to Suraj and say that. What will you say? Give me idea.
Sir, I will go and I will say, Abhi brother come outside.
Okay, my side.
You want to meet you?
He is not coming inside.
Yeah, I
Huh?
will say.
No.
Okay, one.
No, you should say. Where is the PG? Tell me. That white color?
Not sir. Yellow.
Yellow.
Not this one.
How do you know?
I have in one.
Achha. So yes, Chandni, go there and say that, sir. Suraj भैया, uncle has come from home. चाचा, भुट्टू चाचा है. हाँ? No, say that actually room खाली करना है. चाचा ऑनर मालिक बुला रहे हैं, कर रूम खाली करो. जय कर रूम खाली करने को बोल रहे हैं.
बाहर बुला रही है.
आंटी बाहर बुला रही हैं और रूम खाली करने कह रही हैं. ऑलराइट, जाइए जल्दी. Don't laugh. Be serious. Yeah, exactly right. Come on, everybody. So here we have reached the location. It's like Khatro Khiladi right now. So we have come to meet Suraj. Actually, he's a very good student and he's a very hardworking. And we are going to see him and let's see what happened to him. First, we will just sympathize him and we will console him and we will just pay our gratitude and we will just of course we will just tell him not to give up because he's a good guy. He's a good guy. And he needs to be appreciated for everything, right? Yes.
Like
He was trying to have. Yeah, for him it's a proposal gift for him, right?
Sir, I observe one thing.
What?
By the way, I will not say.
Will not share.
No.
Good.
It is personal. I have.
I have
observed
also something to say.
personal thing. Yes,
I have
yes.
something to say.
Yes, yes.
Can I tell you?
Yes.
I can't tell you. If I tell you, you can come to know. That's why.
Personally, I
See,
observe from then you.
I can tell you,
Yes.
but I cannot tell you.
It's up to you.
Because if I tell you, you will come to know that. And if you know,
No, sir. Let me.
please be aside. I want to tell you, but I cannot tell you. Because if I tell you,
You know.
you will tell people.
It's right.
Is it right?
then it will not.
Yeah, why so bad? Yeah. Hey, Suraj, you should go. You should go there.
Yes, sir.
You should go. Hey, camera person, you go there.
Oh, from there, no?
I should not actually.
So let's go. We will go there.
इस सामने लेके चला गया.
Security there.
Wow. Tom and Jerry. Come on, reality.
अरे अब तो जाने कैमरा सामने पहुंच के जाने गया होगा. कहाँ? All right, Suraj. My goodness. Suraj. अरे ठीक है. All right. अरे man, hug me, come on. Very nice. Fantastic. What happened to you? क्या हुआ?
Nothing, just a small injury.
A small injury? But a small injury has.
Taka inside.
See, stack है. अरे we should not stand here, right? We should go there. अरे नहीं, it's not okay. Please come here. Hey, this is your doggy? But it loves you. It loves you. Yeah, come on. Yeah, Suraj, come. We came for you, buddy. Where are you? Yeah. So, what happened to you? कैसे हो गया? तो like कैसे लड़ गए? लड़ गया, गिर गए?
I was coming by our side and one person came, no, 3 person in one bullet.
Mhm.
Then they came wrong side, then after that they hit me. Why so what is the like
छह टाका लग गया. अच्छा लोहे वाला.
safety guard वो like is straight था, that's why
चले कोई दिक्कत नहीं. रात में हुआ ऐसा.
that bullet in this like they use the like straight that
And it happened.
that's why
कोई दिक्कत नहीं. टेक केयर. और काफ़ी जो है आपसे हौसला मिलता है. काफ़ी जो है यू आर इंस्पिरेशन बड़ी फॉर योर सिस्टर स्पेशली, राइट. आई सी कैफ विद इन यू एंड इन यू. राइट. इनको दिया जाए भाई, पहले सब दिया जाए, सबको दिया जाए इनको. अरे इट इज ऑफ कोर्स, ये हम लोग का प्यार है भाई. एग्जैक्टली.
what need of this
नो नीड बट इट एवरीथिंग इज इन नीड. प्लीज टेक इट. राइट. अपना आराम से खाइएगा पिएगा और बहनों को ध्यान दीजिए.
thank you so much
राइट. ऐसे मेहनत करते रहिए. उनका नहीं, आप खाएं. राइट. कीप ऑन वर्किंग हार्ड. राइट. वी आर विद यू. ठीक है. हम तो घबरा गए थे. हमें कहा और लगी हुई चोट.
नहीं सर बस जस्ट स्मॉल इंजरी
ठीक, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. लेकिन 6 टाका स्मॉल इंजरी कैसे हुई? राइट. 6 टाका लग गया. चले हम लोग तो. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. नहीं, यहाँ पे असल में इट्स नॉट आवर हाउस ना. एग्जैक्टली. इट्स अबाउट पीजी. एग्जैक्टली.
we can go inside now.
No, it's not. It's okay here. Ultimately, बहुत काफी है, right? You live at a good place, buddy.
Yes.
It is silent place, sir.
Yeah.
Environment is very good.
Exactly. All right, Suraj. Come on, he is fine.
Nothing sir, just small injury because of
It's okay. देखो, हमेशा मैं कहता हूँ एक बात, जितनी ही ज़्यादा ज़िंदगी आपकी खौफनाक होगी और दर्दनाक होगी, उतनी अच्छी आपकी कायनात बनेगी। आपकी अपनी अपनी दुनिया है भाई, तो ठीक है, ऑलराइट, हिम्मत मत हारा, बस यही कहूँगा। चलिए, ब्रेव आई नो भारी हिम ऑन। ऑलराइट, तो इजाज़त दीजिए, अनुमति दीजिए।
Yes, sir.
दीदी लोग, कैन वी गो नाउ? यस, थैंक यू सो मच, लेट्स गो, चलो। ऑलराइट, टेक केयर। ओ,
Hello.
so yeah, but we couldn't see the injury actually, right? खोलो थोड़ा देखें, और रोड पे खोलो ताकि कोई आ जाए तो फिर और।
थोड़ा सा लूज पैंट पहना करो।
हाँ, और क्या, देखो ही नोज एवरीथिंग।
नहीं सर,
चलो ठीक, मत खोलो, इट्स फाइन, इट्स फाइन। ठीक है, जाओ जाओ, लेट जाओ, ठीक है, टेक केयर। ऑलराइट, चलो। छोड़ेंगे ना, हम लोग इतने लोग हैं।
No,
हाँ?
sir. Why?
अरे रुको, दिस इज कॉल्ड मोमेंटम।
पांच सवारी बचती है तो आपके लोग कहाँ जाएंगे?
सिर्फ हमें बैठना, सुजीत को बैठना, उस महिला को बैठना है।
हाँ तो आप बताइए
आप पहले पूछिए कहाँ जाना है।
कहाँ जाएंगे?
यही मुड़वा पे।
हाँ भाई,
कितना रुपया?
10 रुपये दीजिए।
अरे है ही मुड़वा पे, है यही मुड़वा पे, यही सामने जो है। कितना रुपया लेंगे?
सब लोग होंगे?
नहीं नहीं, सिर्फ 3 लोग।
3 लोग बताया तो।
अरे बस यही मुस्कान चाहिए थी, यही मुस्कान चाहिए थी। देख रो कितने प्यारे लग रहे हो आप। एक गाले मिल लो, गाले मिल लो। यही मुस्कान चाहिए थी, यही मुस्कान। अब इसका दिन कितना अच्छा है, देख रहे हो, एक मस्ती से एक दिन अच्छा चला जाएगा। राइट, सो यहाँ यू वर टेलिंग समथिंग। अब कम ऑन हियर, आई वांट टू
say something. I will not come tomorrow to your welcome issue.
व्हाई? बिकॉज़ संडे।
Not Sunday. I will be.
बी केयरफुल, बी केयरफुल, बी केयरफुल। हाँ,
Sir, I will not come to your institute because I will be in my PG.
what do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Why will you be in PG?
Sir,
Why will you be
sir,
in
I
PG?
will not come to your institute because I will be in my PG.
So, what's the problem?
Nothing.
So tomorrow is Sunday, na? Why will you come?
No.
Valeria, I know.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Listen, we are working.
We are
working
walking.
because we are not running.
We are walking.
Working because we are not running.
Okay. And I will not come to coaching.
Because I will be in my PG. This is the point.
Okay. Can I tell you?
Yes.
I am here.
Okay, because I there.
अरे हाँ, कितनी अच्छी बात है। I am here because I'm not there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
This is day
This
because it's not night. It's day because it is not night.
Yes, sir.
I am boy.
yes, because of
How cute you are, right?
Yes, sir.
You are laughing because
because I am not crying.
uh, from where do you just get this kind of?
Well, I am getting little bit after this type of situation.
But it has no sense.
No, sir, it is understood.
No, it has no sense. Why?
Yes.
Listen,
It has no sense. Why? Because it has sense. It has no sense because it has sense. Right?
yes,
Every senseless thing has sense.
yes, yes.
Because senselessly nobody can speak.
Nobody can speak. Yes.
So every sense has sense. Even there is no sense. हाँ, exactly. My goodness, ये तो बहुत अच्छा हो गया आना यहाँ पे. हाँ. And you know food is important.
Food is important.
Why?
Because of food is
Because food is food. No, this is not okay.
Yes,
You
sir,
know,
sir, sir, right.
health is important.
health is important.
Why?
Because of
Because of health. अरे, oh God, may God bless. And anything else? Study is important.
studies is
Why? Because we are a student.
illiteracy is important. Illiteracy is unimportant. Study is important. Because of illiteracy is more important.
Alright, thank you very much. Thank you. We have reached the location.